Peco is a UK-based manufacturer of model railway accessories, especially trackwork, based at Pecorama, Beer in South Devon, England. Peco is the collective name for the Pritchard Patent Product Company Limited, Peco Publications and Publicity Limited, and Pecorama. Founded in 1946 in a small cottage, Peco now distributes worldwide products. The company supplies products for Z-gauge, N-gauge, OO gauge, H0 gauge, 0 gauge, gauge 1, and narrow gauge products for N6.5, NN3, 009, H0 meters, O16.5, SM32 and G scale. The primary product ranges are its track systems. Other product lines include Peco trackside building kits and scenic items in gauges O, U and N, and a small range of rolling stock and locomotives, both kits and ready to run, for gauges N and 009. Track systems. There are two main types of Peco track system: Peco set track and Peco streamline. Set track consists of a range of rigid curves, straights, crossings and points, turnouts, made to the standard British geometry. It is similar to the track components supplied with train sets, and is designed for the needs of less experienced modelers, or those experienced modelers who do not want to spend a lot of time building trackwork. However, where part of a desired layout cannot be built using set track parts, streamline components can be utilized as required. Peco Streamline is for the more experienced modeler. The range includes a wider variety of points and crossings at different radii. Most of these are available with live, metal, or insulating, plastic, frogs. The electrofrog points require more complex wiring to avoid short circuits, but are designed to give more reliable operation of locomotives. There are no other rigid track components. Plain track is supplied in 3 foot, 914 mm lengths, 2 foot for Z-gauge. To be cut to length is required. It is flexible laterally, allowing the modeler to use it for straight track or any radius curve to suit the needs of the model. The streamline range is supplied with different types of rail, identified by code numbers indicating the height of the rail in thousandths of an inch. 400 H0 track. Code 100 rail is the original type, and is designed for older ready-to-run models. Code 83 is designed to be compatible with North American track systems. Code 75 is designed for fine-scale models with smaller wheel flanges to give a more scale appearance. N-gauge streamline track comes in code 80 and code 55. The 00 H0 track is scaled for H0. This is commercially understandable as the product range is supplied to the smaller UK market, mainly 00, and larger European, US markets, mainly H0. The sleeper length, sleeper spacing and set track 6 foot way is not correct for modeling UK track in 00 gauge, and this can exaggerate the error in the gauge when running 00 models. To support the track systems, Peco Electrics is the company brand name for Peco's range of electronic control systems, point motors and switches. Wholly owned subsidiaries. Peco as a company owns several other well-known model companies: Ratio, K&M Trees, Wheels, Model Scene, formerly Merit, Publications. Peco Publications and Publicity Limited publishes the monthly magazines Railway Modeler and Continental Modeler, as well as a large range of booklets explaining wiring, scenics, baseboard construction, outdoor railways, and similar topics. Pecorama. Pecorama is a tourist attraction, and includes a display of many model railways, a shop, and the Beer Heights Light Railway. It is located in the village of Beer, Devon. Peco website.